Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, it's me Jessica. In this opportunity, I would like to do a speaking midterm test. And it was 3 sections. First is introducing myself, second is describing people, and third is describing objects. So, let's get started. Section 1. First is introducing myself. My name is Jessica Algesa Rinaldi, and you can call me Jessica. I'm from Bandung. I was born in Jakarta 5th June 2000, and now I'm 19 years old, but next June I'm going 20. I'm a student of Bandung State of Polytechnic, or also known by Polban. In academic environment, I'm doing asset management program right now. So, it's my second year of my bachelor program. Asset management is one of a lot of program in Polytechnic Negeri Bandung. In this program, you will study about how to manage your asset effectively and efficiently till your asset have a highest value. And in the future, I would like to be an asset manager or work in a financial department at the company. Okay, let's move to my family. I'm a second child of my parents. I have one big brother and his name is Joe Rinaldi. They also call him Jolio. And he born 2 years before me at Jakarta to 31st July 1998. And now he's 22. He studied at Cyber Polytechnic, or also known by STSN, Sekolah Tinggi Sandi Negara. He's on 4th year study and will graduate next September. Wish him luck. And both of us is born from a beautiful mother and cool father. She is my mother. He's my mother and her name is Rosi Dayana, but I call her Mommy. She's already 47 years old last January. She's very kind and very tough person, and she's kind of my role model in life. She's originally from Bandung. She lived in Bandung from she was child and grew up into a top person in Bandung. Okay, and this is my father. His name is Fakri Rinaldi, but I usually call him Papa. He was born at Padang 10 February 1969, and now he's 51 years old. He born 4 years older than my mother. He's a great contractor and he loves me so much. And next, go to my hobby. My hobbies are doing sport, and I like any kind of sport like basketball, football, badminton, running, and swimming. And the other thing that I like is I like to do traveling. I like to climb mountain, I like to climb rock, I like to go to beautiful beach and doing water sport or just enjoying the view. It makes me really happy. And the last hobbies or thing that I like is I like to play music. I like to play guitar or keyboard or piano, and I like to play drum. And next is second section. Second section is describing people. So I would like to describing people. The people that I choose is Sung Kang. Sung Kang is one of my favorite actor. Sung Kang is one of great actor in USA. And he born at Gainesville, Georgia, United States of America, 8 April 1972. But he looks like an Asian people because his mother is from Korea. He studied at University of California and takes a bachelor degree of a law program. He known as a success actor in Hollywood industry, and his name is going viral after appeared in Fast and Furious franchise. He's a fictional character of Han Lu. He's one of crew of Dominic Toretto's team. And he also known as a good drifter because his film. And before he appeared to be Han, he didn't know about drifting a car, but he did a lot of research and become a good drift driver. And next, I'm gonna describe you about his physical. So look at the picture. In this picture, he wears purple t-shirt and he wears black watch. He wears blue jeans and he wears gray sneakers, and he was leaning against his silver scar and he was amazing. In this picture, he is a handsome guy. and he's quite tall and muscular. And the height of Sung Kang is 183 centimeters, and he has a medium length black hair, and he has small brown eyes, and he looks intelligent and calm, and he was probably a calm person. And then go to the last section is describing object, and now I'm gonna start the last section and describing my object. The object that I choose is my guitar. I have two guitars, and the guitar have some differences and some similarities. And okay, let's take a look. This is my first guitar, and this is my second guitar. My first guitar is the first one is electrical guitar, and this guitar is Guitar Lele, who has a smaller size. And the brand of my first guitar, my electrical guitar, is Ibanez, and the Guitar Lele is Grande. And the striking differences between the first guitar and my second guitar is their size. And my electrical guitar is bigger than my Guitar Lele. The Guitar Lele is smaller than my electric guitar. And the material of my guitar is probably from wood. And the color of my first guitar, my electrical guitar, is light brown, and like everybody known as a khaki color. And this little one is dark brown. And the next differences is the string of my two guitar. The string of my first guitar is from steel string, and the second guitar is nylon string. And the sound of these two guitars is probably different, and the tune of each guitar is different too. My electrical guitar is start with E chord, but this little guitar is start with A chord. And these two guitars are used for instrumenting and music. Okay, last is describing place. I'm from Bandung. I live in Bandung since I was born. Bandung is the capital city of Indonesia's West Java, and Bandung was the greatest place for me to live because Bandung is a lot of destination to go, like Parasan Java Mall, 23 Pascal, Tangkuban Perahu Mountains, Burangrang Mountains, Lembang, a lot of great coffee shops and cafe. And the air in Bandung is kind of fresh air because Bandung is surrounded by any mountains. And Bandung has a great facility for school, like in Bandung is a lot of playgroup until college. And Bandung has a lot of great food, like the most delicious food that I like is brownies, bandros, and batagor. And the people in Bandung is quietly a kind person, very kind person, because Sundanese people is very kind, like they are so helpful, friendly, and very kind. Next is the place I really wanna go to. The place I really wanna go to is Labuan Bajo. It's located at Flores, Nusa Tenggara, and Labuan Bajo is the capital of Regency of Manggarai Barat. And once Labuan Bajo was a small village for a fishing village, and now Labuan Bajo is a must destination for tourists because its beauty. And the weather is quite like a weather in Indonesia, but it's a little bit sunny because it's located at beach. And the best time if you want to go to Labuan Bajo is during dry season from April until October. The air is quietly fresh and still clean. And the people in Labuan Bajo is very nice. They are kind and friendly. And the local economy in the town is centered around the ferry port and tourism, local shops and restaurant, and diving trade. If you want to go to Labuan Bajo, there are many options. If you have a lot of money, you can go by airplane and go to Komodo National Airport, and you can go by ferry and car or motorcycle or bus. And what can you do in Labuan Bajo? You can sailing Komodo. You can go to see Komodo in Komodo National Park, and you can trekking among the mountains. You can diving, snorkeling, chasing sunrise, chasing sunset, and swimming at the ocean, and eating yummy food like seafood. There are a lot of seafood selling there, and enjoying a very great view at any spots. And it was very nice. It was really great, and I really want to go there. Wish sometimes I can go to Labuan Bajo. And finish. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like and enjoy this video, and I'm so sorry if I say something wrong, and thank you for watching.